सगळ्यात पयली हांव IT डिपार्टमेंटाक कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता की अंडर द डिजिटल इंडिया कॅम्पेनच्या अंतर्गत डिजिटल गोवा जावपाक सुरवात जाल्ली आसा. तुम्ही मुद्दाम जर पळयत आतांच रोहन खंवटे हांच्यांनी जे डिक्लेअर केले की ऑलमोस्ट 170 सर्विसीस वी आर गिविंग फॉर द कॉमन सिटीजन सर्विस सेंटर एंड फॉर द VLE. हाच्या अंतर्गत वी आर एक्टिवेटिंग ऑलमोस्ट 400 VLE सेंटर्स आणि VLE सेंटर्स थोड्या दिसांनी कंप्लिटली एक्टिव्ह जाल्या उपरांत गोंय हे पयले राज्य आसतले जे ग्रामीण लेवलाचेर 170 सर्विसीस लोकांक डायरेक्टली म्हणजे त्यांच्या घरा कडल्यान गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसास कनेक्ट करून दिवपी. आणि खंयच्याच राज्यात अशा पद्दतीन सर्विसीस अवेलेबल ना, अशा पद्दतीच्यो इतक्यो सर्विसीस ग्रामीण डिजिटली लोकांक मेळना. The Honorable Prime Minister is always talking about a digital India. And proudly we can say the Digital India campaign is successfully run in Goa as a digital Goa. And definitely म्हाका खात्री आसा की विदिन 2 म्हयन्या भितर आमी हो प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करपाक शकतले आनी प्राउडली अनाउन्स करपाक शकतले की डिजिटल गोवा कॅम्पेन आमी सक्सेसफुली गोंयांत रन करता आनी डिजिटल इंडिया मॉडेल आमी गोंयांत डिजिटल गोवा म्हणून आमी इम्प्लिमेंट केलो. हे आमी ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टरनी आमी सगळ्यांक सांगपाक शकतले की देशांतले पयले राज्य आसा की गोंय हें डिजिटल गोंय जावपाक शकलें. आतां पर्यंत जी एक्टीव आसात आनी सरकाराची 7 सर्विसीस सेंटर आसा VLE हांच्या कडल्यान म्हणजे आपली कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट आसतली, इन्कम सर्टिफिकेट आसतली, अशा पद्दतीच्यो वेगवेगळ्यो सर्विसीस. आनी हाच्या फुडें ग्रामीण मित्र जी संकल्पना मिनिस्टरान आत्तां मांडल्या ती तर आनिकूय बी म्हणजे ईज ऑफ लिव्हिंग जेका आमी म्हणटा आनी हॅपिनेस इंडेक्स वाडोवपी ह्यो दोनूय गजाली सातत्यान सरकार करीत आसा. ईज ऑफ लिव्हिंग आनी हॅपिनेस इंडेक्स वाडोवपा खातीर ग्रामीण मित्र हो कन्सेप्ट खूब बऱ्या तरेन काम करपाक शकतलो. टेंटेटिवली मंथ एंडिंग पर्यंत आमी ग्रामीण मित्र इंट्रोड्यूस करपाचे आसा. सो डॅट त्या खातीर हांवें म्हटलां की डिजिटल गोवा आमी सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट करपाक शकतले. फॉर डॅट I am congratulating my IT Minister Mr. Rohan Khawte, my ITG Chairman and GL for entire the whole as a team they are working for the digital Goa campaign. Thank you.
And as he and board committee meeting was pending for sanctions in terms of various schemes under startup policy and under IT policy. The government under Dr. Pramod Sawant has a very clear ambition of positioning Goa in the IT segment when it comes to niche areas in terms of IT and also in terms of building the startup culture, ambitiously looking at being one of the most preferred destinations in the world, especially in Asia. And हे preamble आणि policy घेऊन जेन्ना गेल्या आज तुमकां सांगपाक बरें दिसता की as of date Goa has registered roughly about 186 startups, wherein out of these 186 startups we have supported roughly 93 startups through various benefits, which total grant of roughly about 2.67 crores has already been given. Most of this has been under seed capital, roughly which 52% of that constituting to about 1.4 crores has been given as seed capital to various companies as far as the startups are concerned. Salary subsidy is roughly about 37%, which constitutes to about 99.65 lakhs, and lease rent subsidy is roughly about 8%, constituting to about 21.45 lakhs. Haga ami various products as a empowered committee, the Chief Minister, we have been evaluating proposals after they have been checked at various levels. Under the policy, we have an expert committee, and the expert committee tani people from the industry who call all these particular companies who have applied for various schemes. तांचे एकदा ओके जाले की थंयच्यान तो proposal empowered committee घेता. So when we are trying to be in tune with our Honorable Prime Minister's thought of Digital India, where he is giving a lot of focus and impetus on startup and the IT industry, we have also been getting a lot of support from the center. आणि हांगा स्टेटाच्या हातूंतल्यान startup policyच्या माध्यमांतल्यान community outreach, handholding programs for startups, capacity building programs in collaboration with Startup India have been something what we have been doing. Last 1 year, along with this policy, as we start looking at things, we have done a lot of outreach programs in colleges, reaching out to the college, explaining them what it is that incubate kortolo, and tankar bari idea ditlo, and we want to carry their idea ahead. We believe that college becomes a right time for getting this idea, which can be a problem-solving part, and giving that particular part of creating that entrepreneurship backup as well as startup also. And here this policy comes in tune. There has been a lot of focus on women empowerment, where through these policies major incentivization also has been done, where women get a priority in terms of salaries, in terms of matching grants, in terms of initial jenna tanga geta recruitment karta various assistance has been given.